shabu-shabu. Hindi shabu na ano. A Korean. Soup. Soup, malambot. Hot water, then put the mix, seasoning, then
That's it.
seaweed. Kaya ba?
Bisaya.
Tapos, noodles nila ba?
Noodles ba?
Noodles nila ba yan, no? Tsaka spicy. Tapos ano?
Fishball.
Fishball. Face to, ano? Tapos ito, what do we call this one?
Crab stick. Ito.
Crab stick. Stick siya.
Na crab.
Na crab. Ito, this one is like malagkit. This.
Rice cake.
Rice stick. Stick siya.
Tokboki.
Na tokboki. Tokboki.
Tok. Lagtok.
Then, cabbage. Yan. Anger. Like anger.
Girl.
Anger.
Busin na natin.
Anger. Wow. You will buy shabu-shabu sticks. Shabu stick in the Korean. Look this one, the ingredients. Prepare the ingredients. Sausage. This one is lumpia. Ay, lumpia.
Dumpling.
Dumpling.
Anong lumpia?
Kamukha ni ano, ni ensaymada. Ay, hindi. Ano yun?
Empanada.
Kamukha ng empanada. Ensaymada. Ano ba yan? Yan, tapos Chinese cabbage.
Ito.
Itlog. This one boiled or fresh?
Yeah. Anywhere we can cook. Anywhere. Anywhere, everywhere.
Fresh egg or boiled egg?
Fresh.
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 Wow.
Dumpling?
Dumplings.
Dumpling.
Dumpling.
Wow. It's
you want.
yummy.
You can eat.
We have also pichay.
You have also pizza.
Yeah, Litos pichay.
Toast. Dalawa to ate.
Ano yung mga Bisaya ba? Manghilwas ba? Tigas. Ayan. We are here in the kitchen. Wow. Hunger.